Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Nurmela. In this occasion, I will explain the material about descriptive research. Okay, let's start from the definition. The definition of descriptive research. Descriptive research is defined as a research method that describes the characteristics of the population or phenomenon studied. This methodology focuses more on the what of the research subject than the why of the research subject. Next, the goal of descriptive research. The goal of descriptive research is to describe a phenomenon and its characteristics. This research is more concerned with what rather than how or why something has happened. Therefore, observation and survey tools are often used to gather data. Next, the characteristics of descriptive research. There are four the characteristics of descriptive research. The first one is quantitative research. Descriptive research is a quantitative research method that attempts to collect quantifiable information for statistical analysis of the population sample. It is a popular market research tool that allows us to collect and describe the demographic segment's nature. Second one is uncontrolled variable. In descriptive research, none of the variables are influenced in any way. This uses observational methods to conduct the research. Hence, the nature of the variables or their behavior is not in the hands of the researcher. The third one is cross-sectional studies. Descriptive research is generally a cross-sectional study where different sections belonging to the same group are studied. And the last one is the basis for further research. Researchers further research the data collected and analyze it from descriptive research using different research techniques. The data can also help point towards the types of research methods used for the subsequent research. Okay, next, the methods of descriptive research. There are three methods of descriptive research. The first one is observational method. It is the most effective method to conduct this research, and researchers make use of both quantitative and qualitative observation. A quantitative observation is the objective collection of data which is primarily focused on numbers and values, while qualitative observation doesn't involve measurements or numbers but instead just monitoring characteristics. The second one is case study methods. Case studies involve in-depth research and study of individuals or groups. Case studies lead to a hypothesis and widen a further scope of studying a phenomenon. However, case studies should not be used to determine cause and effect, as they can make accurate predictions because there could be a bias on the researcher's part. The last one is survey research. In survey research, respondents answer through survey or questionnaire or polls. They are a popular market research tool to collect feedback from respondents. A study to gather useful data should have the right survey questions. It should be a balanced mix of open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. The survey method can be conducted online or offline, making it the go-to option for descriptive research where the sample size is enormous. Okay, the next is about advantages of descriptive research. The first one is data collection. A researcher can conduct descriptive research using specific methods like observational method, case study method, and survey method. Between these three, all primary data collection methods are covered, which provides a lot of information. This can be used for future research or even developing a hypothesis of your research object. The second one is varied. Since the data collected is qualitative and quantitative, it gives a holistic understanding of a research topic. The information is varied, diverse, and thorough. The third one is natural environment. Descriptive research allows for the research to be conducted in the respondent's natural environment, which ensures that high quality and honest data is collected. And the last one is quick to perform and cheap. As the sample size is generally large in descriptive research, the data collection is quick to conduct and is inexpensive. Next, the disadvantages of descriptive research. There are four disadvantages of descriptive research. The first one is descriptive studies cannot test or verify the research problem statistically. Second one is research results may reflect certain level of bias due to the absence of statistical tests. The third one is the majority of descriptive studies are not repeatable due to their observational nature. And the last one is descriptive studies are not helpful in identifying cause behind described phenomenon. Okay, next. About descriptive research often foundational for classification, identifying relevant variables, and generating new research questions. Okay, next. This is about common errors in descriptive research. The first one is lack of participant response. And the second one is unclear or ambiguous items. Okay, next, ethics of descriptive research. The first one is be sure when you describe any particular group of individuals in your population. You should include not only the characteristics which are common to the group, but also their unique as well. Failure to include the unique characteristic of the participant might make the result inconsistent and unreliable. The second one is bear in mind that seldom in the descriptive method used as an in itself. It means that the primary objective of descriptive methods is to make use of the results or to facilitate prediction or control of some behaviors. The third one is use statistical procedures to assure you of a level of confidence that your results are trustworthy. The fourth is data should not be manipulated. And the last one is instrument you should be free from cultural bias. Next, the importance of descriptive research. The first one is for scientific basis of judgment. This means that descriptive research provides information which could be used as basis for important decisions that are to be made. The second one is for a closer look into happenings, behavior, practice, methods, and procedures. Descriptive research provides essential facts and understanding about the nature of anything. And the last one is for the information of construction of test analysis of this standardization of those instruments used in research. And the last is the example of descriptive research. The example is a school district wishes to evaluate teachers' attitudes about using technology in the classroom by conducting surveys and observing their comfortableness using technology through observational methods. The researcher can gauge what they can help understand if a full-fledged implementation can face an issue. This also helps in understanding if the students are impacted in any way with this change. Okay, I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.